The pet hen. Pat has a pet hen. The hen is red. The hen is fat. Pat's hen has 10 eggs. The eggs are in the nest. Who has a pet? Pat. What is his pet? Hen. What color is the hen? Red. What is fat? Hen. What does the hen have? Eggs. How many are the eggs? 10. Level 3. Dukan could. When did what? So see not where get them like one this my wool me will yes up ulap ilap tilap sarap harap akap asap ganap dahap mailap yakap usap kalap lanap ulap. Ang laruan ni Oli. Si Oli ay may laruang oso. Ang oso ay nilagyan niya ng lasong pula. Puting-puti ang kulay ng oso. Laging hayakap ni Oli ang osong tinawag niya itong Oka. Sagutin. Ano ang laruan ni Oli? Oso. Ano ang kulay ng oso? Puti. Ano ang tawag ni Oli sa oso? Oka.